Hello, I'm Jeff Sullivan, Dean of Industry, Ag and Energy at Chippewa Valley Technical College. Currently, I am the local project lead of the Advanced Wisconsin DOL TAACCCT Manufacturing Grant in Machine Tool. The grant has positively affected the Machine Tool program by adding industry-recognized credentials to our curriculum, validating our curriculum through those credentials, increasing our attainment and our math scores for our program students, and adding internships to our program to connect with manufacturers in the region.
Well, my name is Dave Thompson, machine tool instructor at Chippewa Valley Technical College. The NIMS certification for the machine tool program, students can receive 3 NIMS certificates while attending CVTC machine tool program. The first NIMS they'll receive in second semester. They're halfway through second semester. That NIMS credential is Measurement, Material, and Safety. The second NIMS credential that the student can receive is at the end of their second semester. That second credential is CNC Mill Operator credential. And then the last credential, the third credential the students can receive is in their third semester. At the end of the third semester, that is a CNC Lathe Operator certificate. The nice thing with this NIMS certificate, it's a nationally recognized certificate. It's an outside source validating what the students know and validating the curriculum that they receive at CVTC Machine Tool program. Another benefit with the NIMS is that the technical skills attainment for the state of Wisconsin machine tool programs align directly with the NIMS credentials.
So my name is Dan Lytle, and I'm the Menominee Campus Manager and Business and Industry Service Representative for St. Croix Pierce and Dunn County for CVTC. And at the time of the grant award, I was the training coordinator for Eau Claire County and acted as the workforce development liaison in between CVTC and the Department of Workforce Development. So this grant had incredible benefits to those that were displaced that had the manufacturing background. And even some that didn't have the manufacturing background but had the interests and aptitudes that related to manufacturing. So we work closely with the machine tool program in identifying those specific characteristics and then relating it back to the dislocated worker. By far, in total, the grant project and the collaboration and the partnership with all the entities involved was no doubt a success. We targeted the right individuals as they came out of displacement. So these were individuals that lost work due to no fault of their own and needed to repurpose and reset themselves and get going. So it provided an accelerated education into a high-demand, high-wage occupation at the end.
My name is Alan Dome, and I am a math teacher here at Chippewa Valley Technical College. I wrote the curriculum, the math curriculum for the machine tool department, and I also teach the courses for that department as well. Right around 3.5 years ago, we were having a hard time retaining students in math. They were coming in underprepared, and so we just sat down with the math department, machine tool department, and we decided to take a look at what we could do to improve the instruction in the 2 math courses that we offer for the machining department. And we came up with some ideas. Some of the things that we did was we said, can we make the problems more applied to the program or contextualizing the curriculum? And so we did that. We also brought in academic service instructor to team teach the course to those students that were coming in underprepared, were then given some additional assistance in terms of study skills so that they would get some more one-on-one work with a person that could help them manage their learning environment. The grant allowed us to have the time to sit down with the math department and the machine tool department to develop the contextualized curriculum. So both of the curriculum projects were a joint effort between math instructors and machine tool instructors.
My name is Alicia Gonzowski. My title is Human Resource Generalist, and I work at Riverside Machine and Engineering. This grant has affected our business and the employees that we hire by bringing us a good flow of applicants and candidates from CVTC for our machinist positions. These students have a diverse background. They're able to not only pick up on the basic machining that we do, but get into the more complex machining. There's also a lot of paperwork involved in what we do, a lot of documentation, and they're able to, with the education they've received, pick up on the paperwork and make sure that it is done to the expectations of what our customers need. So they're able to do a wide variety of not only the machining, but also everything that goes into what we expect and need. We have a very strong relationship with CVTC and the machine tool program. Our relationship goes back and forth. The machine tool instructors know that at any time if they need to do a tour or have any questions or just want to check things out, they can always call us. They can come over, take groups for tours, and I also know that we can reach out to the instructors at any point if we have a job opening or want to check on how, if we have a student that's currently working for us, want to check on, make sure that they're doing well in their classes and that they're excelling and doing the best that they can. We also work closely with the machine tool program to help promote the program and get even more students into the program. And we have at Riverside, our machinists, over 90% of our machinists are graduates or current students in the machine tool program. This grant has allowed us to continue hiring more and more machinists from the program.
My name is Moyne Domes, plant manager at Wissota Tool in Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin. The grant that CVTC has received already in the past, they have got NIMS implemented, and in the long run that will help us get better qualified employees, or at least a measurement of the qualifications of that employee. They've also improved their math program and instituted internship, and really the most important thing they did with the money is improve increase the size of their program, I guess, besides improving by like 20%. And us and everybody else is trying to hire qualified machinists with some type of education, so that 20% improvement in size definitely helps us a lot. As a manufacturer, we assure or try to assure that they do use that money to help us in industry the most and get the most out of the education and money spent on these students, because we really have to get them in here and continue that education for quite some time and really their whole career. So we feel with our involvement within the school, we can help them make them decisions and follow what our needs are.
This grant has created connections with the employers by allowing us to focus on some of the main topics and objectives that we've set forth in the grant. The grant has also initiated conversations with the employers on generating student enrollment and validating our student placement rates and the need that we have 7 jobs per graduate available out there in our current workforce.
We are a growing company. We've added quite a few people just in the last 2 years, and so this grant has allowed us to have that continual supply of students from the program that are able to come in, learn, and excel in the position.
One of the key pieces to take away from this is that it was incredibly successful, and I don't want to minimize the fact that there was a lot of moving parts. So the partnership, the communication, the collaboration that had to take place in order for this whole endeavor to be successful is quite significant, and a lot of credit goes to all of the partners involved.